Hey guys, how you doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our evening Bitcoin and Ethereum indicator update. So Bitcoin 15-minute DMT, you can see the DMT line is rising up just under 6,400. So that would be the DMT sell level. But yeah, pretty far away from that at the moment at 6,700. Yeah, we're not really moving very far at the moment, sort of just chopping around this range. So this is definitely not the best sort of trading formation for our strategy, but we're staying out of a DMT trade there. The 15-minute Dominator is obviously, as you can see, is chopping us in and out. So I've actually turned this off after being chopped in and out of a couple of trades here for about a 1 and a 2% loss. Obviously, you know the Dominator, we trade on a smaller size. But yeah, so I've turned this off at the moment just whilst we're in this chop zone, because this just isn't the sort of trading pattern that is good. Isn't the sort of volatility that is good for our Dominator. So Ethereum is pretty much a similar story. The sell line not quite as far away from the price as it is for Bitcoin. So yeah, Ethereum not really showing any strength from the news that's apparently going to be on the Ethereum network, the Fed coin. But yeah, 25-minute Dominator, I mean, that's not chopping around as much here, got us in a sell trade, but yeah, the same sell trade as before. But what you can see with this Dominator indicator, when you don't have like a large hump on the move, you're not really in sort of a sell trend or a buy trend, you're just in a chop zone. So if we look at it again on Bitcoin, you can see these aren't really getting to 100 at all, so they're literally getting to like 50 odd and 40-ish. So these are not really proper trades. I mean, the first one that maybe looked like a sell was this one, but that actually came just before the this came after this dip down here, so then it was all upwards after that. But yeah, so that is the update for the indicators. Like, I mean, not a lot going on. I feel like we are just consolidating into the end of that rising wedge that I showed you guys before. So we've got to make a decision basically in this formation here. I mean, we could easily come up to around this area, around to the 7,000 area again, before then getting our final strong rejection down. Or we could just drop out the wedge here, or we could just blast our way back up. We'll see what happens. I mean, it's pretty easy-ish to trade. I mean, basically anywhere over sort of this level, you can just set in buy orders. Anywhere probably, I'll say under this level, under about 6,400, you probably set your sell orders, and then we'll be on our way up or down. So yeah, so remember, none of this is financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. And yeah, so I think this is my 5th and final video of today. So been pumping them out for you guys. Lots of news articles, lots of things that I'm trying to bring to your guys' attention that I think are definitely worth knowing. So yeah, so thanks for listening, guys, and I will speak to you guys tomorrow.